Hi YouTubers, what's going on YouTube today? We are back with the continuation on how you can use your UCOD on your Android mobile phones to edit a video, cut a video, chop a video, you know, do a lot of stuff with it. And yesterday we were able to give you in our earlier video, we were able to give you, how you can download it, how you can, input those videos. And in today's edition, we want to just show you more stuff you can actually do. And on your own, we believe you can then explore more on what you can use your UCOD to do. And now let's just dive into it. And for anybody that is watching this video, make sure you watch the first video. That is part one of this video. This is part two before you jump into this. Because we are going to move very fast here in order not to take much of your time. So let's assume I want to, do a new, cutting or editing. I can do that. Let me just take a certain movie and I can, from here, I can just trim it to a certain number that I want. Let's say I want to have like just 5 minutes, or let me see, 3 minutes. I just cut this to 2 minutes now. I say okay, and I'll go to next. So this is the video I just cut. I don't want the voice to come out because if I do that, I might be you know violating one or two rules, I guess. So just this just like short video I just cut here, and I can do a lot of stuff. Like when I tap on the video on this clip that I'm just on this clip now, I can just tap on it. You see this red. I can split this video by using uh the split tool here. This so now if I just click on this, maybe I want to split it from here. Let's say I want to have it 1 minute, so I will just split it accordingly, or maybe say 30 seconds on the exact. Let me just go to 30 seconds dot. Okay, okay, let's take this 30 seconds here. Okay, let's say this is 30 seconds. So because I just want you to get the idea. So from here, you see from here I have my 30-second video, for example, from this point to this point. And you can see there is one basic thing I want you to see here. Okay, let me not click on this. Now you see this stuff here. Let me push this here so that I can show you. You see this icon here. It's like it's a connector between the first clip and the other clip. So what I will do, if I want it to like transition, that is where I will now tap on this very white stuff you can see that I'm showing you with the arrow. Once I tap on it, you see what will happen. Can use that to do a lot of transitions. you know there are a lot of styles. Anything I want to do, I can use this to do. There are the basic stuff. There is a clinch, there is the lightning if you want something to pop up, just like you can see here. If I, for example, when I pick this, I just pick it, so it means if it is now moving to the next slide, it will now flip for you. That is a transition, you see. So these stuffs are actually very powerful. I can still click on it again if I want to change it and check what actually works best for me. Then I'll click here, and you see if I play it, it will do a lot of stuff for you, as you can see. So it all depends. So another feature I want to show you today is the effect. We can use the effect very well. So when I click on the effect, there are a lot of stuff here, just like you can see. I can scroll, use anything I want to use. For example, it all depends on what I want. But if I want to use it, I have to long press it. You long press any of these things here. For example, you want to have like say the clip showing like maybe four, dividing it into four compartment. I can do this. If I want to divide it into six compartment, if I want to divide it into say nine compartment, just like you can see here, it's actually you can actually do that. If you want to have a mirror, that is all what you can do. A lot of stuff here can be done. So I can click on OK, for example, and I can come back and see what I have. So from here you can see the transition, you can see all those things you did and the rest. So again, I want to show you how you can work with your text sharply. So when I click on this text, I can write anything here. Hi, hey guys, see, hey, watch this. You can say watch, hey, watch this, for example. So I can do a lot of stuff. Also, when you look at this carefully, you get to realize that there is this editing bar here where you can do a lot of stuff also. So you can play with this, you can do many things here. You can change the capacity, you can change the colors. Everything is just here. It all depends on what you want to do, and you can actually achieve that here. So even the level, if you want to change the level, if you want to change the borderlines, if you want to change the shadow, you know you can do a lot. You can do a lot. If you want the text, how the text should transition, you can play with it here. you know this is where you can the transition. You can press there and do what you want to do. you know how you want your text to pop up. That is the transition. And here, let me show you this, how you can actually work with that. Also, the opaque, you can reduce this, you can add this, you can do this, you can do this. It all depends on what you want to do. You get. What I'm just trying to do is to show you, just trying to show you what you can do. So it's now left for you to calm down and use what you want to use very well. So you can put, for example, you want your video to have a certain sticker. Let's say, for example, I already have this. You can press the add button here. If you don't have the picture, sorry, you can press the add button here, so that it will pick that very image for you, and bring it here if you have it in your device. So for example, I already have this, so I can just crop this. I can crop this the way I want, for example, and just maybe paste it somewhere so that anybody that is watching this video could actually be seeing my logo. And I'll come back to the editing interface. This very line, if I should just leave it the way it is and play this video, it will just show that logo of mine here, and it will cut. So what I need to do is to use this very part of this editing tool here. This very one, I can use this line and drag it to the length I want it to go. For example, I can do this. I can just drag it, as you can see. So the more I drag it, I can drag it to the end. For example, I can just drag this, sorry, oops. So I can drag this so that it will be exact. So it means from, let's say, from this point, if I want to drag here also, I can do that. You get. So that you start from the beginning, I can drag to the left. I can do anything I want to do. It all depends on where I want it to start from. But it's actually normal or advisably you start it from the beginning. You get. You can start it from the beginning so that once you play your clip, you see the logo will actually be there, just like you can see it here. So it will be there from the beginning till the end of the video. So there are a lot of stuffs you can actually use your YouCut to do. You can do a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to give you like an overview of what you can use these things to do. And you can copy your clip, you can do a lot of stuff. So these are just like just trying to give you what you can do with distance. You can do a lot of stuff. It all depends on how creative you are and how you can use this app, you know, to get what you want. But I assure you, I do most of my editing with this, and I'm just trying to show you what you can do some a bit fast. And editing needs time, so you need to take your time to get the exactitude of what you want. I believe this video could have impacted you on how you can use your Android phone with your UCOT to achieve what you want to achieve. All these are just samples of what you can do, and many more can actually be done. I wish you all the best. And if you have anything you want us to, talk more about, just drop a comment in the comment section. We'll be glad to do that for you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. See ya. Or let me add another thing before I go. If you are done with all these things, you can just press the, perhaps you're done with your settings and the rest, you can just press this save button here, just like you see. Let me do that. And once I'm done with my editing, I just press on save. It will tell me uh, like the resolution, if I want it to be, to give you a recommended resolution. If you want to take it back, you can do that, just like you can see. And the frame, if you want to increase the frame, and whatsoever you want to do is here. The quality, do you want medium quality, do you want high quality, anything you want, you can play with it here. And finally, you still click on the save. So for me, I don't want to save this, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.